Come and see this beauty. Fully renovated beautiful townhouse. New roof, deck, stainless appliances, kitchen, quartz countertop. New hardwood floor. The first floor sliding door just has been replaced. The newly built bonus room in the basement can be used as an office or gym. Walkout basement. Sit on the deck and relax. Conveniently located in the Pinecrest neighborhood, tennis, jog trails, with multiple county parks, golf, nature, historic. Starbucks, restaurants immediately nearby, easy access to the beltway. Commute to DC, Pentagon, Mark Center, Crystal City. Please contact co-agent for more information. The seller will review all offers on June 21, 2021 at 5 p.m. The seller likes to reserve his right to make the decision before the deadline. Please